Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got a small unbagging from FGNORMAL. They were nice enough to send these to me to share with everyone. I will have these products linked in my description box. That way you can go check them out for yourself. They are also having a sale on their website, so go check that out, and let's just get into this. Now there's only a couple of items, so we'll show the smallest thing first. So I have been seeing these and I just wanted to try it just because it's a small one. But these are called Diamond Painting Embossing Rollers. There are several colors. If I can even get into the bag. Well, they had to put it in there somehow, so I don't know. I'm just going to rip it open. So they come in different colors. I chose purple or lavender. I did not realize that it came with two, but these are for round and square. And if you can see, I'm going to hold it up a little close. This one is bigger than this one. So that way you know which one. These are going to be, the small one is going to be for your squares. The larger one is going to be for your rounds. So you just put the little handle in there. And then when you are doing a row, you can go in and put it on there and pull it across. And it will straighten your crooked drills. So this was $4.02. The boys are going to start acting up, of course. So yeah, now I have the large roller on the handle, but I just thought this was neat, and I just wanted to check it out. So there is that. Now the next thing that I got are some pearl paintings. Now, these are, well, first off, it comes with two kits here. You get a pink pen, wax, a few baggies, and a green boat. You get two of them. And then here's all of your pearls. So this is a pearl painting. So there are 12 in this set. Now, I chose the dogs, of course, but they do have several different ones to choose from. They have dogs, they have cats, they have flowers, they have gnomes, I think they have birds. I don't remember. There's several to choose from, but there are 12 in the kit. So there's 1, 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there's 10, 11, and 12. Is that a double? No. Okay. Thought maybe I got a double there for a second. Or, well, maybe. No. They just look the same, but they're not. Okay. So, these are pearl paintings. And you can see it is very clear. They are all numbered. You're not going to do any of the background. It is very sticky. The canvas feels really good also. So you get all white pearls. And I thought this was so pretty. And I was thinking, to me, it looks like when you have black and white photos. That's what it just puts me in mind of, is black and white photos. And it would be so pretty on some little frames. And you could hang these on your wall in like a collage type, you know, way. Or if you even want to switch one out per day or something. I don't know. But here are the pearls. And of course they are different sizes. But I just thought this was so pretty. And of course I'm a dog lover. So yeah, very, very nice. Now, these are 12. There are 12 in this set. These are a 15 by 15 centimeter, and they were $12.10 FG normal. That is not a bad price. I mean, it's $1 and a penny or so per little canvas. So that's not bad. I think it's a good price for what we get. Because these are a real nice size. I like it. Really do. Now, I wish there was a Boston Terrier in here. There's a French Bulldog, but there's no Boston Terrier. But anyway, these are super, super cute. And again, I will leave a link to these products in my description box for y'all to go check out. If I have a discount code, I will leave that in there too. I don't profit from this when you use the discount codes. So, you know, that's not an issue. It's just something that the company offers to you, the subscribers, customers, and so yeah. All right, that is all that I have for y'all. And again, thank you to FG Normal for sending these to me. Links will be in the description box. And until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.